All right, guys. So now that you're done with all your pictures, finding your images, it's time to actually create your timeline. If you have a profile, you can use it. If not, you simply click New User and put your name in there. Right, and you're going to start your project title. All you're going to do for this one is you're going to name it Q4 Timeline, and then your last name. All right, that way you know what this is. So we just do Q4 Timeline, and then your last name. Don't worry about clicking how you'll organize or anything along those lines. You just hit start. Pretty simple how you do this. So you click anywhere in here and it'll allow you to add a new event. So for this one, we'll do election of Abraham Lincoln. How about that one? So we'll do Lincoln elected president. So that's what we put for the label. For the short description, we do our month and our year. So November 1860. And in here, as we describe how this divided our nation, you'll notice this doesn't show on the screen. So we could say something along the lines of it, breaking the nation apart. All right, so you have your longer description here. You could copy and paste what you have from your chart if it's not too long. If it's too long, it won't allow you to copy and paste. Then click on your choose image, and then you're going to use whatever you downloaded from the internet. Click use, and you can rotate it if you want to. You can make it bigger, smaller, whatever you need. Hit OK. There it is. Hit done. So for our purposes, we're going to put 1860 over here on the last dash. Right, and on the first one, by now you should already have in here, or if you don't know, you will, the Missouri Compromise. And then we're going to put in here the month and the date. And the Missouri Compromise happens in 1820. So if you notice, each year, each dash is a year. All right. Once you're finished, to turn it in, you'll simply hit Finish. And you're going to Save Final. If you notice, it saves it to pictures in your camera roll. You'll hit OK. And then you can go to your camera roll, and you'll see the two pictures. So one is the timeline itself, and the one is the long descriptions. All right, both of these pictures will be submitted to D2